Kanawea, Gerige and Kibana and Dishnikas, Quadandotum. Good day, all. I extend my wishes to you for good health and well being. I continue to thank and acknowledge all of you for your endurance, perseverance during this time. Yes, we're all tired, as it has been a year since the world pandemic was announced. As a community, we ask of each other for continued patience, kindness, and respect. It is up to all of us as individuals to look out for each other as a community. We've started our vaccine program here in Sagamok against the virus. The first treatments have started at the Elders Eagle Lodge. We will formally announce and roll out the community vaccine program once we have additional confirmed supply. I extend 3 key points in this address: the Ontario Plan, March Break, and Wikwemkong case. First Nations communities have their processes for responding to the pandemic. We respect what happens in Ontario as they have the professional health support that provide recommendations and guidelines. We do not have sustainable supply of home essential needs and must rely on our neighboring communities. Transitioning out of lockdown. Ontario announced this past Monday that it will be transitioning the province out of the stay-at-home order and back to the COVID-19 response framework. On Tuesday, February 16th, the public health unit we are in will come out of the current lockdown and move into one of the color-coded designations. Each unit will have its own set of guidelines. The active numbers in each public health unit will determine its designation. Given our location, we monitor both Sudbury and Algoma regions. CTV News has announced that due to the number of active cases in Sudbury, the province has announced that that Sudbury will be designated as orange and Algoma region will be designated as yellow. I encourage you to visit the Ontario COVID website as it relates to the color code system. Ontario postpones March break. The Education Minister announced on February 11th that this year's March break will be postponed for Ontario students to help support the province's response efforts in reducing community transition rates. There's concern with the spread of new emerging variants of the virus and recent vaccine supply shortfalls. Health professionals have recommended that by postponing the March break for a month, this will reduce the travel and virus spreading, as we have seen during the Christmas season. March break would have normally been scheduled for the week of March 15th to 19th. It will now occur in Ontario during the week of April 12th to 16th. This will impact our secondary school students. Being a new announcement, we have not had discussion with relation to Bedobbin School to date, but we will share the announcement once finalized. Wikwemkong reports an active case in the community. Gimon Duke Pelche announced on Wednesday, February 10th, that there is a single confirmed case, asymptomatic case, within the Wikwemkong community who is currently self-isolating. In addition to community response measures, Gimon Pelche asked members of his community to follow all health guidelines, limit their travel to essential purposes only, and to stay within social circles of immediate household members only. As a community, we extend our thoughts and prayers to Wikwemkong for quick and healthy recovery. In Skamuk, we continue our message to you for the health and safety of yourself and your families. Stay at home if you have symptoms. Practice safe distancing by staying 2 meters apart from people you don't live with. Wear a mask or face covering in indoor public spaces. Wash your hands frequently and avoid non-essential travel. On behalf of our elders and vulnerable members, we continue to thank each and every one of you, our members and residents, for keeping our community safe. We ask for your continued patience, understanding, and kindness toward each other. Miigwech. Kisagin.